Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. It is very long expression and we have to find out after solving it the correct answer. So in the answer list we have four answers. Answer A is 152, answer B is 156 and C is 160 and D is 150. When we will solve and after that we will see which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. Okay, now let's recall that what rules we will follow to solve the given expression. As you can see on the screen, we have here two rules like BODMAS and PAMDAS. Basically, these rules apply to solve any arithmetic expression which contains the basic operation and as well as parenthesis and an exponent. So what is the rule? So here we have the BODMAS. BODMAS in BODMAS B stands for brackets and P stands for parenthesis. And similarly, it means that if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After that, you have to see the exponent or power of any number. So if you have a square root or any number has any power, so you have to solve that part first. Either it is a square root or a cube root or raised to power or nth root. So you have to solve that part after the bracket. After that, you have to go in your expression left to right and see which operation is coming. First, you have to see the division and multiplication and keep in mind both has similar precedence. So it means that if you are going left to right in your expression, so see which operation is coming, division or multiplication. If division is coming first, so you have to solve division first. And if multiplication is coming first, so you have to solve the multiplication first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. So we can solve addition first if it is coming first, and if we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. So now we will move forward to solve the given expression. So first we will write the given expression. This is the given expression. So here we will write it. Now, according to the rule, first you have to see in your expression the bracket or parenthesis. So in our expression, we have this bracket. So we have to solve this part first in our expression. So here we will write like 30 divided by 5 plus 5 we will write as it is, and other thing we will write 5 multiplied by 2 equals to 10. So 5 to the 10. And we can remove the bracket. We can write like multiply by 10 and multiply by 3 minus 4. And here we will give the reference because we solved the bracket first. So 5 minus 5 multiplied by 2 equals to 10. Now, our expression does not contain any bracket or parenthesis. So now we will move forward left to right. Right? And after that, we have to see the division and multiplication according to the rule. First, after the bracket, you have to see the exponent parts, but in our expression, we do not have any exponent part. So now we will see the division and multiplication. So here we have the division first. So we will solve this part now. So 30 divided by 5 equals to 6. So 30, 5 6 are 30. Now, we will write other thing as it is. So this part we will write as it is. Again, here we will give the reference. So we will give the reference here 30 divided by 5 equals to 6. Now we will go again left to right and see the multiplication. So here when we will go, so we can see this part. So we can solve this multiplication. 5 multiplied by 10 equals to 50. Multiplied by 3 we will write as it is. minus 4, and we can write this part as it is. And here we will multiply 5 multiplied by 10 equals to 15, right? Now again we have to go left to right and see division and multiplication. Yes, we have another multiplication. So here we have this multiplication. We will write 5 6 plus 50 multiplied by 3, which is equals to 150 minus 4. So we can give reference here. 50 multiplied by 3 equals to 150, right? Now again we will go left to right and see division and multiplication. So but in our expression we do not have any multiplication and division. So now we will see the addition and subtraction. Yes, we have this addition. So we can write like 150 plus 6 equals to 156 minus 4. And here we will give the reference. So 150 plus 6 equals to 156. And in the end we have two terms and which are subtracting each other. So we will minus 156 minus 4 equals to 156. So answer of the given expression is 154. So I hope you understand like how you can solve this expression very a simple way and step by step and get the correct result. So if you see in the answer list, so answer A is the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. And one other thing, we have added the another playlist which is related to English quiz. So you can see in the our channel those playlists. Solve it and write the score in the comment box. So we will see like how much you can get from our channel and give the response in the comment box as well. So we can improve our daily activities and quizzes. And thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.